Hello, and welcome to TestComplete. In this video, we will explain how to handle one of the most common errors occurring in tests, the object does not exist error. The video consists of two parts and covers typical reasons the error occurs and ways to handle it. Why would the object does not exist error occur in the first place? Before simulating a mouse click, keyboard event, or any other action, TestComplete searches for a tested object which your test is interacting with. To find the object, TestComplete checks the object's position in the application object hierarchy and the object's recognition attributes like a class name, caption, and so on. TestComplete collects this data when you create your test and stores it in the name mapping repository of your project. If TestComplete cannot find the object using the stored data, it reports the object does not exist error. Usually, this indicates that something has changed in your tested application, and its state differs from what it was during the recording. If the object's properties have changed in your application, TestComplete will not be able to find the object. Similarly, if the object's position in the hierarchy has been changed, for example, if the object has been moved to another level of the hierarchy, TestComplete cannot find the object. It's also possible that the object was removed from your tested application, or that it takes too long for your tested application to show that object. TestComplete waits for an object until the default timeout is reached, and then reports that the object does not exist. In the first part of this video, we will focus on errors that occur because of changes in recognition properties of a window or control. Suppose that we have a project that tests a web store application. Look at this test log. The test has failed to find the phone minus object. First, let's check if there are any other errors or warnings preceding the object does not exist error. Usually, the very first error corresponds to a problematic test command, and further errors are caused by that first error. If there are preceding errors or warnings in your test log, you should fix them first. In our case, there are no preceding errors, so let's fix this one. Open the Details panel to view the full name of the missing object and its image. In the Picture panel, we can see the screenshot of the tested application taken when the error occurred. To examine the error further, double-click the error message in the test log. This will jump us to the command that caused the error. Our test was trying to click the phone minus object when the error occurred. The most possible reason for the error is that the properties by which TestComplete searches for the object have changed in the application. Luckily for us, in this case, we can fix it easily. The Intelligent Fix button in the Details panel indicates that the test engine has found an object that is similar to the missing one and already knows how we should update the properties. Click the button, and in the resulting dialog box, check if the object that TestComplete has detected is the right one. The object is detected correctly, so we are clicking Update to accept the changes that TestComplete suggests. We rerun the test. TestComplete uses the updated properties to find the object, and the test passes. So the error is now fixed. However, Intelligent Fix cannot be used in some cases. For example, this can happen if TestComplete cannot find an object to suggest, or if one or several parents of the tested object cannot be found either. Let's see how we can fix the error without using the Intelligent Fix. Look at this test log. This test has failed to find the official game ball object. We can see that there are no preceding errors or warnings in this test. So let's start examining the object does not exist error. This time, Intelligent Fix is not available. In this case, we are going to fix the error manually. To do this, we need our application running and being in the same state that it was when the error occurred. The easiest way to achieve this is double-clicking the error message, jumping to the problematic test command, setting a breakpoint to it, and rerunning the test. It will pause on the breakpoint right before the error occurs. So we can stop the test and examine the application. We can see that the needed object is there. Now, let's return to the error message and click this View and Change link to view the properties that TestComplete uses to find the object. Here they are. It is the object identifier and the object type properties. When trying to highlight the object on screen or edit the properties, TestComplete reports that it cannot find the object. We are going to point to the object on screen. Then click Next, and see that the object identifier property needs to be updated. Click the Update button next to it. The property gets a new value, then click Finish to save the changes. remove the breakpoint because it's no longer needed, and close the tested application to start a fresh test run. Rerun the test. TestComplete finds the object using the updated properties and the test passes. Therefore, the error is fixed. Before we finish, we would like to highlight the major key points of fixing the object does not exist error. Use intelligent fix whenever it's possible. Examine images posted to the test log during the run to learn your application's state when the error occurred, and check if the needed object was present in the application. When troubleshooting the error, have your tested application running in the same state as when the error occurred. So this covers only one of the typical causes of the object does not exist error. To learn how to resolve other possible causes of the error, please watch the second part of this video.